something that seems to suggest that you also considered it to be objective. Make me understand what you are saying.
Maybe I didn't express myself correctly. I'm saying that the reasonable man test, the person test, applies. But
once you see, therein lies the problem. Once you say that the test is subjective, then you look to what was going on in a specific person's mind. That's subjective situation. The two are totally different. You cannot want to compound them. You simply cannot. You cannot say it's subjective, but then also refer to a reasonable person test. You cannot. I mean, even a law student doing first year would know that at a later stage during their first year of legal studies. In fact, across the board within legal studies, you go to your law of delict, you go to even criminal law, your culpable homicide, you encounter the reasonable test across the board. So how you could mix the subjective test and the objective test completely escapes me. So back to my question, you have said you accept, or rather you say the test under section 27 is a subjective test. Do you stand by that? Because if you do, it raises very serious issues about your application of the section yes. Over all these years. Are you sticking to your assertion that the test is subjective, even though it uses reasonable? Once you have reasonable, that leads to the objective test. You should know that. Yes. Are you insisting that the test is subjective?
It is an objective test of the reasonable person.
It's an objective test.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't even need to go to reasonable person. Reasonable person is implied in the concept of an objective test. So you don't even need to go there. Now, if it is objective, did you operate, when you looked at this referral, did you operate on the basis that here I'm concerned with the objective test? Is that how you applied it? Because my